disturbance people were calling. Okay, yeah. So I already told you, if you are having three root or third root of unity, so it will form a trigon. That is, you can call it as equilateral triangle. If you are having fourth root of unity, then it will form a square actually. And the coordinates. Similarly, if you are having fifth root of unity, then it will form a pentagon, you can call. Uh, uh, Sorry. It will be something like 1 point here, 1 point here. Uh, Actually, fifth, yeah. Uh, Fifth will be. Let us draw sixth root of unity first. Six is easy to do here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because that means z raised to 6 equal to 1. So two roots are 1 and -1 are the roots. Correct? So एक 1 हो गया यहाँ पे, एक -1. Other 4 roots are complex roots. So this is sixth root of unity. So the main motto was to tell this, that if you are having a, you can also get the area of n-gon. Area of n-gon, which will be in terms of this, and that is n by 2 sine 2 pi by n. एंड 2 पाई बाय n को देख के तुम लोग को थोड़ा समझना चाहिए, दैट इज दिस इज this is in terms of this 2 pi by n. If you write it in cos 2 pi by n plus I sin 2 pi by n, so now you are having a formula. So कोई भी n-gon बोलो, you can get the answer. Correct? See, if you put n equal to 3, so n equal to 3 put किया मतलब इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल का फॉर्मूला बनना चाहिए. Let us see. So if you put n equal to 3, so it will be 3 by 2 sine 2 pi by 3. What is value of sine 2 pi by 3? What is value of sine 2 pi by 3? How will you get that? Sine 2 pi by 3. बोलो. That is 120 ना. That is 180 minus 60 कर सकते हो. Sine 180 minus 60 क्या होएगा? Sine 60. Hello. You guys are not answering, so it is very weird to speak only with myself. Correct, correct. हाँ, 2 पाई को क्या लिख सकते हो? यू कैन राइट 3 पाई माइनस पाई, देन इट विल बी पाई माइनस पाई बाई 3. देन साइन पाई माइनस पाई बाई 3 क्या होता है? साइन पाई बाई 3. करेक्ट. एंड व्हाट इज साइन पाई बाई 3? Root 3 by 2. So this will be root 3 by 2. So it will be 2r square भी था शायद. Why not forgetting that formula? हाँ, actually yeah, it will be r square. यहाँ पे फॉर्मूले में r square है, because it depends on your r. So actually it is the formula of area of n-gon, or you can also say area of a n-gon inscribed in a circle. There is a circle outside. Inscribe in a circle. Correct. So r square n by 2 sine 2 pi by n. And what will be the perimeter? Even there is a formula for perimeter. I'll write both the word. Perimeter, it will be 2nr sine pi by n. And if you want to find area, area of triangle or area of n-gon, inscribed inscribed in circle बोलने से ये फायदा हुआ that you cannot you don't have to say that it is regular. वो obviously regular ही रहेगा क्योंकि circle में रहे वो. So that will be radius के काम करेंगे वो लोग. Inscribe in a circle that is equal to r square n by 2 sine 2 pi by n. Yes. सो एक्चुअली इस पे क्वेश्चन, ये टॉपिक पे क्वेश्चन NBHM में आते हैं, एक दो आया है इवन. दैट इज यूनिट एनगॉन का. तो r का वैल्यू 1 n by 2 sin 2 pi 1. You will see so many question. If you solve previous year question paper, then you will see that. ठीक है. Now let us see. Now let us come back to the our basic tool. First of all, what about this? What do you mean by this? Z minus Z naught is less than epsilon. What do you mean by this region? I already talked about this. इसका मतलब क्या रहेगा? If I write like this, then what do you mean by this thing? Circle with center Z0 and this is open circle. Do you agree? Open ball, I should say. This is open ball. Correct? So something like this. Z0 will be, and this will be. And what is the radius here? Epsilon. So this is called epsilon neighborhood actually. Epsilon NBD neighborhood. See, to define limit, continuity, differentiability, we require this thing. Correct? We used to talk when we are given in mod. So अगर लेस देन इक्वल टू बोला देन यू मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड बाउंड्री इंक्लूडेड है, और ऐसा बोला तो बाउंड्री नॉट इंक्लूडेड, लाइक दैट. ठीक है. So when do we say a set is bounded? Can you define the bounded set? If you remember of your SYBSc. Yes. This is Z0 here. And if I exclude Z0 from this, then that is called deleted neighborhood. So that is also quite easy. I should not write. You must understand. And interior point क्या होता है? Interior point of a set S whenever, which I already told you in the last lecture I think, whenever there is some neighborhood of Z0 that contains only points of S. S. What do you mean by that? Suppose this is your region S, correct? And you want to say Z0 is an interior point, so what should you do that? You should able to find a open ball around this such that all the points जो भी open ball के अंदर points है they should be of the set S, correct? So if I take this point, can I say this is a neighborhood? Can I say this is an interior point? No, because if I take any neighborhood, that is if I take any open ball, I will be having some point which is outside of the S, correct? Read the definition. A point Z0 is said to be interior point of a set S whenever there is some neighborhood of Z0 that contains only point of S, correct? And you may also define exterior point also. uh, Z0 is called exterior point of S when there exist when there exists a neighborhood of it containing no point of S, containing no point of S. So is this a exterior point? Is this a exterior point? Or is this a exterior point? Is this a exterior point? Which one is it? Out of these three, which of them is exterior point? That means you should have an open ball such that all the points in the open ball should be outside of the set S. So this is not an exterior point because this have some point of S. So this is not called as exterior point. So ये exterior है, ये exterior है. Interior मतलब क्या? Every point should be inside that open ball. Exterior मतलब every point should be outside the open ball. Sorry, outside of the set S. And what about this point? इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Any idea what is this called? अरे बोलो. इंटीरियर पॉइंट हुआ, एक्सटीरियर हुआ, बचा क्या फिर? बाउंड्री पॉइंट ना. इफ Z0 is neither of this, neither of above two, then it is called boundary. Or else you can say it should have some point of S and some point of not S. It should have both the thing. At least एक हुआ तभी भी चलेगा अपने केस में. I should have a neighborhood which contains some point of S and some point of not S. Correct? Is that clear? That is quite easy. I hope there is no issue in that. And when do we say a set is open? Can you define open set? What do you mean by open set? If a set contains all the interior points, then it is called open set. अरे भाई तुम लोग ने टोपोलॉजी पढ़ा कि नहीं? A set is said to be open set if and only if all its points are interior point. Correct? And when do we say a set is closed set? अरे भाई बोलो, when do we say a set is closed set? When it is not open. सिंपल सी बात है. A set is said to be closed set when it is not open. Or is there any other definition? A set is said to be closed set if it have all its interior point along with boundary points. Interior points भी होने चाहिए, boundary points भी होने चाहिए. Then you will say that set is closed set. करेक्ट. अगर बाउंड्री पॉइंट इंक्लूड है तो क्लोज सेट भी. क्लोज सेट. करेक्ट. What about anything else? What about this set? 0 is less than z is less than equal to 1. Mod z, z को नहीं बोल सकते. What about this set? Is this set open set, closed set, or something else? Yes. What about this set? Whether it is open, closed, क्या है ये? अरे भाई, this is neither open nor closed. Zero is not included, one is included. So अगर जीरो पे मैं कोई नेबरहुड ड्रॉ करता हूँ, करेक्ट, जीरो एक्चुअली सेट में है ही नहीं. सो अगर मतलब जीरो के नेबरहुड में कहीं पे भी मैं इफ आई हैव एक नेबरहुड में ड्रॉ करता हूँ, तो व्हाट इज माय कंडीशन फॉर इंटीरियर पॉइंट? ऑल ऑफ द पॉइंट्स ऑफ दिस शुड बी ऑफ द सेट एस, बट देयर एग्जिस्ट वन जीरो जो सेट में है ही नहीं. सो इसको मैं इंटीरियर पॉइंट भी नहीं बोल सकता एंड क्लोजर तो बोल ही नहीं सकता, बिकॉज बाउंड्री इंक्लूड नहीं है, बिकॉज जीरो इज ऑल्सो बाउंड्री फॉर दिस. वन इंक्लूड है बट जीरो इज नॉट इंक्लूडेड, सो इट इज़ नॉट क्लोज सेट. यही अगर ऐसा होता, जीरो इज लेस देन मॉड जेड इज लेस देन वन, देन दिस वाज ओपन सेट. एंड यही अगर ऐसा होता, जीरो इज लेस देन मॉड जेड इज लेस देन इक्वल टू वन, देन दिस वाज क्लोज सेट. करेक्ट. हियर इट इज नाइदर ओपन नॉर क्लोज्ड. करेक्ट. सो बहुत सा मतलब एक ये मिस्टेक करते हैं लोग. इफ़ यू आर गिवन द सेट इज़ नॉट ओपन, then they used to say it is closed, but which is wrong? Not open does not imply closed. A is not open does not imply A is closed. What is true? That is, if A complement is not open, then you can say yes. अरे बोलो. अरे भाई, then if A complement not open, then A is open. Not open मतलब closed. You can say if A complement is closed, then A is open. कॉम्प्लीमेंट अगर हुआ तो बोल सकते हैं ऐसा ये केस में. बट यू मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड, इफ ए नॉट ओपन है तो यू कैन नॉट से ए इज क्लोज्ड. ओके, वन मोर पॉइंट. व्हाट इज दैट? accumulation point. A point Z0 is said to be accumulation point of a set S if each deleted neighborhood is NBD. Each deleted neighborhood of Z0 contains at least one point of S. जो भी जितने भी डेफिनेशन मैंने लिखा है सब तुम्हारे टोपोलॉजी का उठाया हुआ है. यूनिट 2 आई थिंक टोपोलॉजी यूनिट 2 और समथिंग पता नहीं. लिमिट पॉइंट ये सब किस में है? उसी में ही है ना. प्लीज़ डू दैट प्रॉपरली. इसलिए मैं बोला था दिस टोपोलॉजी इज़ मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट. ये हर जगह यूज़ होएगा तुमको. Okay? Yeah. Now I'll give some homework to you. Just do that. Hmm. Okay, and do you know what is connected? Connected set पढ़ा है कि नहीं अभी तुम लोग ने? Hello. यूनिट 3 शायद यही है ना. यूनिट 3 इज कनेक्टेड सेट. डोंट नो. Okay, I'll say. Connected means what? If you are having in the case of real line, you are having this set, this and this, say 1 2 and 3 4. That is your set is 1 2 union 3 4, correct? So is this set connected? Is this set connected? Connected means what? There should not be any break. यहाँ तक हुआ but there is a break in between and then this is. So this is not connected set here. In real line, you just remember in real intervals are connected. Intervals are connected, path connected, जो भी बोलो. So अगर interval है तो connected है. So this is not an interval. This is union of two interval. This is not. Union is connected if their intersection is non-empty. Or one more thing. Yeah, if I draw a graph, if I draw a set, correct, then it's one more thing called path connected, which is most important in our case in complex analysis. If you are having you take any 2 point, can you find a path which can go from here to here? That means path means what? You should have a continuous map which can go from here to here. Then that set S is called path connected. This is true for any 2 point here. That's not कोई भी 2 point मैं यहाँ से यहाँ जा सकता हूँ, यहाँ से. There should be a path. But अभी तुम लोगों ने connected नहीं पढ़ा तो I am not going in detail of this. Will come later on once you do that. ठीक है? We'll do that once again. Connected connected path connected and everything, because main is that topology definition. That is before connected you will be defining what is disconnected. That any set if you can write it as a union of separable sets, then it is connected, then it is disconnected. But abhi separable bhi tumko nahi pata hai, तो I will just hold on this, and maybe once ma'am completes with that thing then we will go ahead. ठीक है? So now we are in a state to define limit of a function continuity differentiability. Now from the next lecture I will be doing this limit continuity differentiability in C. Okay, so homework is revise your SYBSC sem 1, oh sorry, sem 3. लिमिट कंटिन्यूटी डिफरेंशियबिलिटी का डेफिनेशन देखना उधर कैसे हुआ है, then we'll do that. Okay then, thank you so much.